Dr. Patrick Amoth has warned that a second wave of COVID-19 can be witnessed if Kenyans do relax measures that have been put in place. Amoth has further clarified that decreasing numbers witnessed in the country is similar to what is being observed in other African countries. In the last 24 hours, Kenya has recorded 373 new coronavirus infections.
373 people have tested positive following testing of 4,663 samples over the last 24 hours, bringing the total number of confirmed cases in the country to 33,389. Our cumulative tests now stand at 38,193.
Africa generally is making good progress, and if you look at the trends in terms of the epic curves, quite a number of African countries have already hit their peak, and Kenya is no exception. We are within that peak, but this is not a time to loosen the measures that we have put in place. And that is what informed the advisory that we gave His Excellency yesterday, that formed part of his address to the nation yesterday, that we are making progress, but we need to maintain these measures so that we can see us hitting the magical 5% positivity rate.